All right, let's pick up where we left off. Might have been a little abrupt on the last video. Sorry about that. So we've got our three things that we need to create our table, right? We need our column name, we need our data type, and we have to specify whether to allow nulls or not to allow nulls. All right, let's get in the habit of scripting out our objects so we can see the syntax behind them. So let's come over here and let's click that little button right there. It says Generate Change Script. It's the far left button, and it's got that little save with a script thing. And now we've got the code to create this table. So let's copy this out. We have to cancel this. Nope. We want to right click, new query. We want to paste this. All right, we don't need all this right now. All right, so let's kill this and let's just focus on the statement to create the table. Right? And here it looks like I already created the sales table, so let's kill him. I don't want that there because I want to be able to run it and create it. So here's the syntax. Create table. All right, that's pretty straightforward. Now let's say sales. We have DBO. DBO is the owner. Right? Sales ID is the integer, right? On primary, this is the name of the file group. We won't get into that now, but I just want to let you know that's what it is. Alter the table, sales, and we're going to add the constraint. Primary key, table 1, no, it's the sales table. So we have to change this also. Not Dale, although I do know a Dale. Sales, clustered, we're saying primary key, clustered, right? And we're specifying what we want it to cluster on, the sales ID, right? Alter table 1, no, we don't want to alter table 1 because there won't be, it'll give us an error. We want to alter the sales table. All right, so here we go. All right, so remember what we specified over here on the GUI portion. All right, column name, data type, does it allow nulls? Sales ID, right? Column name, data type, does it allow nulls? There we go. All right, so let's run this, and that ran fine. Let's come over and refresh. Let's go to tables, and now we have the sales table. Right? So that's how we create it via the GUI, and then this is how we create it via Transact SQL. Right? Again, it's really good to get in the habit of scripting out all of our objects. Now, we're going to script out objects differently depending on what we create, but no matter what we create, let me show you. Let's go here and create something. Let's go create an index on the sales table. Now, it doesn't matter that you know what indexes are. That's irrelevant for the conversation at hand. What I want to show you is when we go to create new index, we're going to create a new non-clustered index. It can't create you saw that the create clustered index was grayed out because we have one. We just created one. All right, and here we can see that we've got a script button. All right, we're going to get in the habit of scripting out all of our objects so we can become familiar with the Transact. Remember, Transact is the language of SQL Server. We want to become familiar with the scripting language so that we could write this by hand without having to come and do it with a GUI.